In this video, you'll learn how to take a screenshot on your Pixel 4a. By following this guide, you will be able to capture any screen content quickly and efficiently. Begin by navigating to the screen you wish to capture on your Pixel 4a. Ensure that all essential content is visible and properly adjusted. This preparation is crucial to guarantee that you capture the correct information without any unnecessary elements. Next, press and hold the power button and the volume down button simultaneously. Maintain this hold briefly until you see an animation indicating that the screenshot has been taken. It is important to press both buttons together for the screenshot to be captured effectively. After taking the screenshot, you will want to access it. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel, where you will see a notification confirming that the screenshot has been saved. Tap on this notification to view your screenshot directly. Alternatively, you can open the Gallery app to locate your screenshot. Once there, you can use various editing tools to crop or annotate the image as necessary. This allows for better management of your screenshot and helps to highlight important information. Finally, if you wish to share the screenshot, you can do so directly from the gallery. Ensure that the image is saved properly before sharing. Your Pixel 4 screenshot process is now complete, and you can access your captured content whenever needed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.